You know, many folks during the last 5 years of the meltdown have become investors, if you will. At least they think they're investors. And so a lot of them are now turning to the internet and these online auctions to buy properties. You certainly can do that, but you run the risk of being involved in something you're not really fully aware of or knowledgeable enough about, and you end up buying properties that become major problems, major headaches, maybe even a money pit, and eventually you may lose it. Buying online is possible, but you need expertise. You need either a realtor or a lawyer, law firm that understands that you have to do a title search, for example. You need to find out some of the history before you bid. Many of folks have walked into our offices after they've been the successful bidders in a property, and yet they realize after they bought it, all they bought was an inferior position, that ultimately that property they bought for a steal of $5,000 or $10,000 actually has a gigantic first mortgage in front of it that has priority. And when the bank ultimately forecloses and obtains a certificate of title, they will take away the interest that that person thought they bought. So before you jump online and decide, I'm going to buy at the auction, again, contact a law firm or a realtor's office that's involved in this process. Because even if it's $5,000 or $10,000, if you lose that money later on, in money that you could have easily have saved and invested elsewhere, it'd be a silly move.